Okay, so good afternoon. Okay, in that last lecture, we have covered the number of examples related to that a 2D drawing. Okay, such type of the example we have taken and similar figure we have drawn in that AutoCAD. Okay, so it is the 2D figure. So again, we are going to discuss here how to draw the isometric view. See, this is the isometric view. Okay, this is the isometric view and how to draw this type of the isometric view in that AutoCAD. That point we are going to discuss today. Okay, so may I write? Yes. Okay. Today we will take this figure, again this figure, this figure. Okay. So 2-3 example we will try to cover in this today's lecture related to that isometric. Okay. Okay. Then see here in that AutoCAD. Okay. So see this is the AutoCAD and see here this whatever screen you are looking. Okay. This is for the 2D only. Okay. Just check here. Okay. That workspace switching. Okay, just you have to make click on this workspace switching. Okay, that drafting and annotation mode is on. Means it is the 2D. Okay, then how we can change this plane, or we can say how we can change this working space. Okay, see here isometric view is given is here. So I will draw here. Just 1 minute. See here one symbol is given at the bottom side. See here. I will make the circle here. See. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, just you can make click here. Okay, suppose see what is the name of the symbol, that is the isometric drafting. Now it is off. Okay, whenever we want to draw the isometric view in that AutoCAD, that time your isometric drafting should be on. Okay, how to make on? Just you have to make a double click here. See the position of cursor is going to change here. Okay, you can easily observe here the position of that circle, it is going to change here. Okay, how that circle, how that crosshair is going to looking here. Okay, now see one line is vertical and another line is the inclined line. Okay, in this way the position of that cursor is going to change here, means your isometric drafting is on. तुमचा isometric drafting या ठिकाणी काय केलेलं आहे आपण ऑन केलेलं आहे. Okay, now we can try to draw the isometric view in that AutoCAD. Okay, just you can take the line here. Okay, see here. Okay. Okay, just example, I'm going to draw here a box here. Okay. Okay, that one more thing is there in that isometric drawing, how to change the plane. Okay, how to change the plane. Okay, to changing the plane we have to draw, or we can say the short key is there, that is the F5. Just we have to press the F5 to change the plane. Okay, now see here. Okay, see in this way we can draw the parallel line in that isometric view. Okay, that one more point is there. Okay, that point you have to remember in that isometric view. I'm going to write here in that isometric view. Okay, for changing the plane. Okay, for changing the plane, which short key we should know, or which short key we have to use, the F5. Okay, for changing the plane means sometime I have to require the top plane, sometime I have to require the left plane, right plane, like this. Okay, we have to suppose whenever we want to change the plane, that time we have to press the F5 key. Okay, in your board there is the F5 key is there, just you have to press the F5 key for changing the plane. Again, the important point in that isometric view is how to draw the circle in the isometric. Okay, how to draw a circle in the isometric. Okay, only that point you have to remember. In that isometric Okay, whenever we want to draw the circle in that isometric, that time we have to use the ellipse. Okay, means what? Okay, just here. Okay, here one ellipse symbol is here in that drawing window. We have to make click on that ellipse. Okay, then select the axis end, and here at the bottom side on your command line, we have to make click on the iso circle. Okay, this is the procedure for to draw the circle in the isometric view. Okay, so again I will explain this all that thing whenever we are going to draw that actual drawing. Okay, so just you have to remember. Okay, so can I take directly one example here so that you will become or you can easily understood. Okay, simple. See, this is the simple isometric drawing is here, and similar drawing we have to draw with the help of the AutoCAD. Then how to draw? Again, it is very simple procedure. Okay, again we have to understood the given figure, then which dimension they have given. Okay, which commands we have to require. Okay, that point first upon we will discuss here. Now see here, this isometric figure we have to draw in that AutoCAD. Okay, suppose to draw this figure, I have started from this point. See, this is the point number 1. Okay. Now see, what is the length, or we can say what is the distance of this line? What is the length of this line? Yes, they have given the length of this line is the 1 mm. See here, in this side they have given the 1 mm. Means we can easily draw this vertical line. Okay. Then see here, from this point to this point, suppose this is the point number 2, we can easily draw this horizontal line. Okay, then tell me what is the dimension of this line? What is the length of this line? Yes, please. Anybody calculate it? Yes. How it is 5? How it is 5? Tell me. How you have calculated? Please tell me. See this distance they have given. That is the 2 mm. Again it is 1. Then it becomes 3 mm. Then yes.
Sir, ते top side ला दिलेत की 2.
Yes, correct. Here, see here. Up to this point. Up to this point, it is the 2. Okay. And again this distance is the 2, and again this distance is 1, so that it will become the 5 mm. Okay, means the length of this line, it will be the 5 mm. Okay, then tell me what is the length of this line? Yes, what is the length of this line?
1
mm. Good. Then we can easily draw this line. Then tell me what is the length of this line?
1 mm.
Again it is given 1 mm. Again tell me the length of this line.
0.5.
0.5 here they have given. Okay, then tell me, suppose this distance it is not given. Now we have to stop here. Okay, इथपर्यंत draw करा आणि थांबा इथं. Then again we have to start from this point. This distance is given. What is this distance? It is the 2 mm. Means we can easily draw. Okay, means we can easily draw this horizontal line. Again tell me what is this distance? Again it is 0.5. Okay, now we are here. Now we can easily join this line. Okay, in this way we can easily draw this portion. Okay, this portion we can easily draw. Okay, now tell me how to draw that remaining portion. Now tell me, see here, this distance they have given. Okay, now from this point we can easily draw this line. Just we have to draw the parallel lines. Okay, this line we can easily draw. Okay, what is the length of this line? It is the 3 mm. Then from this point we have to draw this line. It is the 1 mm. Then again from this point we have to draw and join this line. Okay, then from this point, okay, from this point this distance is given, that is 0.5. Means that vertical line we can easily draw, and from this point we can easily join this. This portion is also completed. In this way we have to draw. Okay, only point is remaining, that is the how to change the plane. That point I will explain during the figure. Okay, then tell me the next point. Okay, the next part, how we can draw. Now see here, again we have to start from this point. Okay, then what is the total distance? It is the, yes,
3
3 mm. Here In this side they have given 3 mm means in this side also it is the 3 mm. Then from this point again we have to draw the vertical line of 1 mm, and from this point we have to join these two lines. Okay, this that 2 point we have to join. Means this portion is completed. Okay, then again from this point we have to draw this line upper 2 mm. Okay, then already we have drawn this, just we have to join it up to this, and from this point we have to draw this vertical horizontal line. Your figure is completed. Only part, that is the circle, is remaining. Okay, then how to draw the circle? Simple. First of all we have to find out the center point of this circle. Okay, how to find out the center point of that circle? Yes,
1.5 डिस्टन्स दिलेत की सर सेंटर पॉइंट.
okay, 1 point. Okay, from this point we have to take 1.5, draw one line here. Again from this point to this, it is the 1 mm, and from this point we have to draw this line. We will get the center point, and with the help of the ellipse, just you have to remember, in that isometric view don't use the circle to draw that circle. Okay, to draw the circle we have to use the which command we have to use? We have to use the ellipse command.
Ellipse.
Okay, in this way we have to draw the circle. Okay, so now we'll try to draw this figure in that AutoCAD. Okay, so everyone has understood the given figure or the dimension. Okay, let see here, from this point we will start. First of all we will draw this and this, that vertical line we will draw, and the dimension of that vertical line is the 1 mm. Okay, and then we will draw this portion. Just you have to remember the dimension. Then we will draw this portion. Means this line we will draw. Total length of this line is the 5. Then 1. Then this line. Okay, just you have to remember the dimension and tell me. Okay. Now select that. Okay. 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 Now see a simple procedure. Already we have started the isometric drafting. Then click the line, select the point. Okay, now see here, in this way it is moving. It is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
It is moving in this side only, but we have to require the vertical line. Then how to draw that vertical line? Yes. How to change the plane? Okay, हे बघा एका साइडला जाते आणि ह्या साइडला जाते, but I have required the vertical line. Then how to draw the vertical line here? Okay, we have to press the F5 key. We have to press the which key? Yes, F5 to change the plane. F5. Now see here, now it is moving in upward direction. Now it is moving in upward direction. Okay, just to give the distance 5 mm. Sorry, what is distance? 1 mm na? Enter. Escape. This is the 1 mm line. Okay, then again we have to take the line command, and from this point. Okay, now tell me, again it is not in this side, we have to require the line, but it is showing in this way. Then how to change the plane?
F5 key.
Again we have to press the F5. Okay, now see here, now it is moving. Then what is the length? What is the length of this particular horizontal line?
5
Yes.
mm.
5 mm.
5 mm. Enter. Again in upward direction,
1
it will be
mm.
the 1 mm. Enter. Again in this side,
1 mm.
1 mm. Enter. Okay, then in downward direction it is the
0.5.
0.5.
0.5. Enter.
2
And
mm.
in this side
2 mm.
2 mm. It is correct. Okay, here we have to stop. It is 2 mm, na? Just
Yes, sir.
1 second. No, it is it is 2 mm. Okay, no problem. Then again take the line, and from this point again we have to take the 0.5 na?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Just one minute. Take the line, select this point. Here 0.5, enter, escape, and we have to join to this point. Okay. Understood? Then trim this portion. TR, double enter, and okay. Yes. Up to this, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No sir.
Okay. Then, okay. Now we can draw this portion. Okay. In this side, we have to draw this line and this line, and the length of this line is the 3 mm. Okay. So again, sorry, take the line from this point. Huh. Then how to change the plane? Again, it is not taking the plane. Yes.
F5 key.
Just here now. Again, it is moving in this side and this side. Just have to press the F5, and in this side, the dimension is the 3 mm. Enter. Okay. Okay. Then in downward direction, again, it is not taking the changing. Press the F5. In downward, it will be the 1 mm. Enter. Okay. And here we have to join. Okay, clear? Yes.
Yes sir.
And then trim this portion. PR, double enter. Trim this. Okay. Then what is the next? Again, we will draw this portion. This portion we can easily draw. This portion, see here, this portion. Okay, from this point, we can easily draw this line of a length 3 mm. Then from this point, we can easily draw this line of 1 mm. Na? Yes, 1 mm. Yes. And then we can easily draw this vertical line of 0.5 mm, and then we can easily draw this. It is clear? Yes, this portion we can easily draw, this whole portion. Am I right? Yes, this portion we can easily draw.
Yes, sir.
Take the line, we click on the line, select this point. Okay, it is 3 mm, enter. Then again, it is not changing the plane. Okay, it is not changing the plane. Then how to change the plane? Yes.
F5.
F5 key.
F5. In this side, it will be the 1 mm, enter. And in downward side, it will be the
0.5 mm.
okay, no problem, no problem. Just wait. F5 and directly join this point. Okay. Then again take the line, and from this point we have to take the one vertical line. To change the plane, press the F5, and this distance here, that vertical distance, it will be the 0.5. Enter, escape. Again, we have to join to this point. Okay. Yes. It is clear?
Yes sir.
Then see the given figure. Okay, now we can draw this portion. Okay, this portion is remaining, this portion. Then how to draw? Again, already this portion we have drawn, na? This portion. Okay. Again, from this point, we have to draw the vertical, this line, horizontal line, the 2 mm, and then we have to join this point to this point with the help of this line. And then finally, we have to draw this line. Okay. Just see here. Okay, take the line, and from this point, okay, from this point, now see here, again it is not changing the plane. Yes. How to change the plane?
F5 key.
F5. Okay, in this side, the distance it will be the 2 mm. Okay, and then again press the F5 and join to this point. It is clear? Yes. then it is trim, TR, double enter. Okay. Okay, so understood. Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, only this line is remaining. Okay, from this point we have to draw and join it. Take the line, select this point, and just we have to draw the one straight line here. Okay, escape and then trim the remaining portion, TR double enter. Okay, so it is understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see now which part is remaining? See the given figure. Now
Circle.
only circle is remaining. Then how to draw the circle? First step out, find out the its center point. Then how to find out the center point? From this point. From this point, we have to take the 1.5 distance, and here we have to draw the one line. Again, from this point, we have to take the 1 mm distance, and from this point, we have to draw the line here. Automatically, that both the line, it will be matched at the point. This point, it will be the center. Okay, just see here. Okay, take the line from this point. Take care distance 1.5 and enter. And here we have to draw one line. Again, take the line from this point. We have to take the distance. It is 1 mm. Enter, and we have to draw the line here. Okay, and see this match point of that both the line. It will be the center point for the circle. Okay, now see here carefully how to draw the circle. Don't use the circle here. Okay, how to draw the circle? See, you can easily see here the ellipse symbol. Yes.
Sir.
Make a click on that ellipse symbol and select the axis end. Ellipse वर क्लिक करायचं आहे आणि त्याचा कुठला ellipse सिलेक्ट करायचा आहे? Axis end. Then see the command line. Command line बघा. त्याच्यामध्ये isocircle दिसतंय का सर्वांना? Yes, it is visible. Okay, make a click on that isocircle. Okay, make click on this isocircle, and now you can draw the circle. Again, you can change the planes here in this way. Okay, in this way also we can draw the circle. Okay, and in that figure, the diameter of circle is not given, so you can draw the randomly, no problem. Okay, and then trim that helping lines. TR double enter. Okay, now it is the final figure. Then tell me, it is very simple. Yes, anybody having any problem, any doubt? This is the isometric view.
Repeat the process of isocircle.
Okay, I will repeat here. See, this is the midpoint. This is the center point, we can say. From this center point, we have to draw the circle. Okay, make a click on this ellipse. Okay, then select the axis end. Make click on that axis end. Then click here in isocircle. Okay, you can observe the command line. Your last word is here, isocircle. It is visible. So there.
It is not here, sir.
My screen you are visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here isocircle is there. Make click on that isocircle. Select the center point and draw. In this way, we will draw. Okay, and then trim the helping line. TR double enter. Okay. Yes. See, this is your final thing. So understood?
Yes, sir.
So can I take next figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll take the next figure. Simple. See here. This figure we will try to draw. Okay. Again, it is very simple. Okay, in similar way, we'll try to draw this figure. Okay, again, first of all, we have to understood the given figure, their dimensions, and then we will try to draw this figure. Okay, suppose this figure I have started from this point. So this is the point number 1. Okay, then tell me, what is the length of this line? Yes. You can assume it. Okay, suppose it is 10 mm. 10 mm. Or we can say the, okay, 10 mm, no problem. 10 mm. Then, see here, what is the total length of this line? Yes. Here, suppose I want to draw this line. What is the total length of this line?
54.
54.
18 plus 18 plus 18 plus it is the 50. Then we have assumed this length is the 10 mm. Okay. Then again from this point we can easily draw this line up to this. It is the 18. Again from this point it is the 18. Again from this point it is the 18. In this portion we can easily draw. This block we can easily draw. Okay. Then from this point we can easily draw this line. What is the length of this line? Yes,
78.
78.
it is the 78. Now it is 78. 46 plus, yes, 30,
32.
32.
32. It is the 78. Okay, again from this point we can easily draw this vertical line. Yes, it is the 50.
50.
Okay, then from this point can we draw this line?
Sir.
What is the length of this line?
34.
Yes, 34.
54.
54, sir.
It is 54.
54.
Yes, it is 54. Then this length it will be the 10 mm. Okay, then again from this line we can draw this line also. This is 10 and we can easily draw this portion. Yes. Okay, and then okay, then from this point, okay, from this point we can draw this line. What is the length of this line?
78.
78. Then from this point we have to draw a vertical line here. Again from this point we have to draw the vertical line here, and from this point we can easily join this, and then we have to draw this line. Okay, means that outside block is completed and only remaining that this portion. And again it is very simple, na? Then tell me the length of this line. What is the length of this line up to this point? Yes,
46.
it is the 46. Then this distance is the 18. Again this is the 46. Okay, then from this point we have to take it in the 46 and then join this portion. Okay, means nothing is difficult in this figure. It is simple way, or in the simple way we can easily draw this figure. Okay, so let us will start to draw this figure in the AutoCAD. First of all, we will draw this vertical line of the 10 mm. Okay. Take the line. Take the line and draw the vertical line. Okay, make ortho on. Okay, it is on. Take the line and draw the vertical line. Okay, again similar problem. It is not changing the plane. Yes, how to change the plane?
F5 key.
Just 1 minute. Take the line, select this, and draw the F5 key. And take the 10 mm, enter S. Suppose this is the line. Then next, in this side, okay, in this side we have to draw the line. Select this. Select the, for changing the plane, press the F5. What is the length of this line in this side?
54.
It is the, yes,
54.
54.
it is the 54. Enter. Okay. See here. Then okay. Then next step. Yes. Again take the line, and from this point we can draw the vertical line of the 10 mm. Enter, escape. Okay, this line. Then tell me the next step. Yes. So the given figure. Yes. Up where at this point. Okay. Up to this point we have drawn this figure. From this point it is the 10 mm. Then we have drawn this line of a 24 mm. Also I have drawn this portion of 10 mm. Then from this point we have to draw this line. From this point we have to draw this line of a 18. Okay. Take the line. Then from this point it is the 18. Enter. Then next, yes, next again it is 18. Enter. And then again it is 18. Yes. Okay. Then next next step. Yes, please. Yes, I want to take the next step. Hello. Hello.
Sir, आपण one side complete
Yes,
करू
sir.
शकत नाही direct.
Yes. Now, first of all, we have to draw this outline. This box we have to draw. Then it will become easy. Okay. Then from this point, okay, from this point again we have to draw this line. The length of this line is 78, na?
78.
Okay, and then we can draw this vertical line of the 50. Okay, take the line. Yes, from this point, na? Yes, press the F5 to change the plane. And here it is the 78. Enter, escape. Okay. Then next, again from this point, one vertical line, change the plane by fixing the F5. And what is the length of this line? Yes,
50.
50.
50, na?
50.
Okay, enter, escape. Good. Then next, see the given figure. Now we are at this point. Okay, let's check. Now we are at up to this point. Okay, we have drawn this line, then this line also. Okay, then what is the length of this line?
54.
Okay, 54. Then we can easily draw this line, and in this side, see, in this side, it is the okay, take the line again from this point. Okay, now see again it is not changing the plane. Then how to change the plane? Take the line from this point. Okay, again it is not changing the plane, so that press the F5. See here, it is not changing the plane. So that press the F5 and draw this line of a 15 mm. Sorry, 54, na? Yes.
Ha, sir.
54. Enter. Then change the plane by pressing the F5. Here it is the 10, enter. Okay. Then, yes. Okay. Check the given figure. Okay, now we are at which point? Here. Up to here we have drawn this figure. This line, then this line, then this line, and this line. Here from this point we can easily draw this vertical line. What is the length of this vertical line? Okay, we don't know this length. Okay, so simple. Again see this is the 10 mm. So this line is also we can easily draw. This is both the line we can, sorry, both the point we can join it. Then now we can start from this point and then we can draw this line of 78. Okay, and then we can draw this line. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me the procedure here. Take the line. Yes, then. Okay, so first up on we will draw this so that it will become easy. Enter escape. Take the line and from this point here. Then trim the remaining portion here. PR, double enter. Okay, see in this way. Then take the line and from this point. Okay, from this point, draw one line here. What is the length of this line?
78.
78. Enter. Okay, and escape. Then we have to take the line and from this point, see here, from this top point, we can draw the one vertical line. Press the F5 to change the plane, and here we have to draw. Okay, see here that both the line are going to match. So we have to trim the remaining portion. PR double enter. So this portion, and here this portion. Okay, means that outside portion is completed. Now it is become very easy. Okay, now again see here that x and y coordinate is come into this figure. Then how to fix that x and y coordinate at the corner? Just you have to press the UCS, then UCS icon, make click on the no origin. Okay, then okay, now we can draw this line here. Okay, this line we have to draw. Which line? This line. It is remaining. Okay, now we have to draw this line here, and then we have to draw one vertical line here, that both the line are going to match here. Okay, and then we have to join this line. Okay, yes, yes, please. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then take the line and from this point, what is the length of this line? It is a 78 na?
78.
Enter escape. Okay, then take the line and from this point, from this top point, we have to draw one vertical line, and then that both the line are going to match here. See, then trim here, double enter in this portion. Okay, again trim this portion again. Okay, it is a bit no problem. Okay, then now see, now from this point, okay, see here, from this point and from this point, that both the point we will join with the help of the one line. Take the line, draw this point, select this point, and select this point. Okay. Again, I think it is not required, na? This portion, this line, it is not
sir.
required. So TR, double enter, and select this. Okay. Now see here, that outside portion is completed. Outside portion is complete. Yes, it is correct. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only that. See here, which part is remaining here? So the given figure. Okay. Now, I think this part is remaining. This portion. How to draw? Okay. Already this distance we are knowing that it is the 80. Okay. Again, it is the 80. From this point, we have to take this line, and from this point, we have to take this line. Again, from this point, we have to draw this vertical or inclined line, we can say. What is the length of this line?
4.
46.
Okay, it is the
46.
46. Again, it is also 46. Okay, then we have to join this line. Okay, then again, see here, from this point we have to draw one inclined line without dimension, and then from this point we have to draw one vertical line. Okay, see here, in this way we can easily draw. Just you have to remember the dimension and tell me. Okay, again take the line. See, this is the 80 distance from this 80 here inside. Depth is given, it is 46 now.
Sir.
Sir.
Entire escape. Okay, then again take the line and the next point of 80 here. Here we have to again 46 enter escape, then join that two lines. Change the plane by placing F5 in this way. Okay. Then trim this extended line. TR double enter, trim this. Okay. Yes, again it is not required, na? That this portion is not required. So TR double enter. Okay. Then which part is remaining? Yes.
The 8 in distance la vertical line kada.
Okay. It is correct.
Sir.
Then tell me.
Then horizontal 46.
Okay. Means take the line and from this point, na, it is correct. From this point
Okay.
again, it is not changing the plane. There is the F5, and here it is the. Don't take the dimension. Randomly you can draw. Again, take the line here, and from this point, okay, you can draw the one. Vertical line here. Okay, and then trim the unwanted portion. TR double L. Okay, then now see here.
Horizontal line is remaining.
Yes, this line, na? This line, na? Yes.
Sir.
Now it is clear. See, it is correct. I think it is as per the given figure. Yes, right?
Sir.
Okay, see. Okay, it is the as per the given figure. Yes, anybody having any doubt, any problem? So understood how to draw the isometric view in the AutoCAD? Yes. Suppose I want to draw the circle here. Then how to draw the circle? Yes. How to draw the circle?
Take ellipse.
Make a click on that ellipse. Then select which ellipse you have to select here.
Axis end.
Axis end.
Axis end. Then next. Then
click here iso circle.
good, correct. Make a click on that ISO circle and try to draw it. Okay, in this way we can draw the circle here. Okay, so understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so we are having the number of isometric figures are there. You can see. Okay, so in that next lecture we will try to cover this figure, then this complicated figure, again this figure, and this figure. Okay. Tomorrow's lecture we will try to cover that all the figures. So for today that much is sufficient. Okay, in this figure, tell me any doubt, any problem is there in this figure, this and this figure? Yes, everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you.
Sir,
Ah, yes.
sir,